There are 4 seasons. The names of the seasons in English are winter, winter, spring, spring, summer, summer, autumn, autumn. Autumn has another name too. Fall, fall. Fall is used in American English. Autumn is used in British English. The letter N at the end of autumn is not pronounced. It is silent. Autumn, autumn. What are the names of the seasons in English again? Winter, spring, summer, autumn. Sometimes autumn is called fall. Let's look at some typical English vocabulary associated with each season. Winter vocabulary: cold days, cold days. Snow, snow. Rain, rain. Umbrella, umbrella. Gloves, gloves. Scarf, scarf. Skiing, skiing. Hot drinks, hot drinks. Spring vocabulary: warm days, warm days. Flowers, flowers. Butterflies, butterflies. Nest, nest. Rainbow, rainbow. Gardening, gardening. Allergies, allergies. Baby animals, baby animals. Summer vocabulary: hot days, hot days. Beach, beach. Vacation, vacation. Camping, camping. Ice cream, ice cream. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Sunscreen, sunscreen. Swimming pool, swimming pool. Autumn vocabulary or fall vocabulary: cool days, cool days. Leaves fall, leaves fall. Wind, wind. Harvest, harvest. rake, rake. Acorns, acorns. Clouds, clouds. Pumpkins, pumpkins. We use the preposition in before a season. The order is in plus season. Look at these example sentences. People go to the beach in summer. It rains a lot in winter. There are many flowers in spring. Leaves fall from the trees in autumn. So the seasons are spring, summer, autumn or fall, and winter. Answer these questions. What season is it now? You can respond, it is beep in my country right now. For example, it is summer in New Zealand right now. Another question. What is your favorite season? Why? My favorite season is beep because and your reason. For example, my favorite season is spring because it is not too hot and not too cold. Write your answers in the comments section. I hope you found this English lesson about the seasons useful. Have an awesome day.